In this video, I'm going to tell you how many listeners does Joe Rogan have on Spotify. So everybody knows the Joe Rogan Experience is a wildly successful podcast by Joe Rogan. Now, if you come to the page on Spotify of the Joe Rogan Experience, it's not going to tell you how many monthly listeners this particular podcast has. All you can see is the ratings, and it says 214,000 ratings. Now, in order to know how many actual monthly listeners and total listeners this podcast has, you can go onto Google, and I just typed how many listeners does Joe Rogan have on Spotify, and you can see here it's 11 million listeners to each episode. So every time he releases a new episode, he gets around 11 million listeners. And it also says, and this is from 2019, so it's obviously much more now. It says in 2019, and 190 million people downloaded his show every month. So around 11 million listeners per episode and 190 million listeners per month. So hopefully that answered your question. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.